Hi friends, today in this video we will know how to check Wi-Fi password in Windows 10. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for checking Wi-Fi password, do right click on that network icon, click on open network and internet setting. Here scroll down and click on network and sharing center. Here click on Wi-Fi, go to wireless properties, click on security. Here click on show characters. Here it is the network security key of your Wi-Fi. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.